we are going to review yung bagong release ng Chuchu Beauty, which is their Cloud Matte, which is their tints. So, Chuchu Beauty released two kinds of their tints. They relaunched their Juicy Dew tints, yung kanilang new packaging, same as packaging, and of course, yung kanilang bagong release na Cloud Matte tint. So, we are going to swatch it. So, ito yung swatches niya. So, ito yung blush. This is in the shade blush, yung kanilang Cloud Matte tint. Blend out that. This is how it blends. And we're gonna try it on the lips. Okay. I like the packaging, and it's a beautiful tint. Very lightweight siya. Okay. Gumana yung mga ano niya. Gumana ang effect on my lips, and back kasi may tint na siya as is. Final review with this one. This packaging was a must. Was a must try. Talaga. Ito yung magandang packaging. Talaga very iconic na tsaka very customizable na ang kanilang tints. Ganito na siya when you receive it. Juicy tint. Same packaging lang siya with this kind, and I super duper love it. The formulation and the color payoff, wow. I super duper love it, and nag-iwan siya ng stain on my lips, and I can use this every day. Yes, so that's my review for the new product release ng Chuchu Beauty. Yun lang, finish na.